Hi, welcome back. Recently, when I was doing a webinar for you and when I was doing a video recording for you, the video trading about the strategies of SEO Synd suite, whether one or the other you were attending, I didn't show you the results of my video rankings. It just hit me today because I was so focused on showing you the strategies, and I just want to show you results of my video rankings. Of course, I'm not going to show you my money keywords from like online marketing niche because I don't want anybody to steal my keywords when it's on YouTube. But I will show you the keyword nobody probably will be ranking for, which is I Like the Way You Kiss Me, which is like the most famous song of this year. And the keyword is I Like the Way You Kiss Me hard techno remix, because I'm a hard techno and dark techno DJ and producer, and I want to show you here the vidIQ score, and the competition for this is high. And this is I'm here first, but I'll show you in a moment in the incognito mode. But still, I'm competing with almost 2 million views videos and 400,000 views. Anyway, it's a competitive keyword, and I'm gonna show you in the incognito mode that using SEO suite and the strategies I showed you in the webinar or in the training, you can rank even for high competition keywords. So let's go to the incognito mode, and as you can see on YouTube here, I'm fourth. My video is fourth. And it's quite younger than the competitors because I did this remix a bit too late, I think. Anyway, the first video has over, like I said, 200,000 views. The second has almost 2 million, and the third has over 120,000 views, and my video fourth, it has 20k views. So it's like high competitive. It's a high competitive keyword, and on Google, third. The first here is because algorithm of Google and YouTube. These algorithms are a bit different, but still the video here, which I believe it's here first, so it's here first on Google and on YouTube, and second is on Google SoundCloud, some SoundCloud, and my video is third on YouTube. So I just wanted to show you these YouTube SEO and Google rankings because I mostly rank YouTube videos. And if you haven't seen the training, I will put it in the description of this video if you watch it on YouTube and on the training page. And I put it in the cards. And if you want to check SEO Synd suite, I also put the links in the description. And if you're watching this on the training page, under the main video you will see the link to the SEO Synd suite. Because the more you do with your SEO, the better results you get. And with SEO Synd suite you have unlimited submissions, so you can hit your things using tier link building as much as you want. And like I said, more information you will find about it on the training page and on the strategy page, and you will find the link to this as well if you're watching this on YouTube. So just check the description and you will find all the links. So thank you again for watching, and as you can see, you can rank on YouTube and Google your video using this strategy. So just check the links below, and I'll see you in another one. Cheers.